So welcome back. This is just a short little video just to bring you up to speed with the final part of the preparation of this whole nose area here. So what I'm hoping you can see on the camera, if I just hold that steady, is, as I just gently move it, that I've riveted the surface and also reinstated a few of the panel lines. I actually created a few additional ones, to be honest. Looking at some reference pics, there's all sorts that you can add in there. So yeah, so there we are. My real hope now is that once that's all painted, it should start to look pretty decent, and we'll certainly find out. That's for sure. So there we are. That's most of the prep done now. Just sort of closing in on the painting really. There's just been a massive masking job to do for all of the small parts. I mean, you can imagine how much glazing there is on a B-17 Fortress. A lot is the answer. So yeah, busy kind of going through all of that. The ball turret is certainly something that will bring you close to termination. To be fair, all I've done now is just masked out the. I'm going to bring that in a bit closer. I've masked out the clear panes, just a couple of pieces of Tamiya masking tape. But of course, there were some gaps, some very slight gaps in the joins, so I've had to add super glue to those, and so those just need to be rubbed back, and then we'll spray it up, and we'll see how the ball turret looks. But gosh, yeah, that's a pain. But there we go. Such is modelling. Getting there now, and hopefully we'll be onto that painting just as soon as we can.